How to install OBS Studio in Windows 11. OBS Studio is a free and open source software using for screen recording and live streaming. Now I am going to download latest version from their website. Current version is 29.1.3. Installation process is very simple. It's not too complicated, same as other traditional software installation. You can select any location and need to press next button. Once it complete, let's open OBS Studio. As I mentioned earlier, this software can be used for different purposes. First one is screen recording, second one is live streaming. Currently, I am going to show you how to optimize this software for screen recording. You need to select second option and need to press next button. In this place, you need to select screen resolution and FPS value, but those values can be changed on later. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.